You are listening to the QFM. Manifest your reality.
One more question. In the work arena, my role is sales and marketing, and I'm wanting to apply this wonderful analogy of the vortex, and it's moving the customer from non-vortex into their vortex is really my job.
Well,
yes,
it's brilliant that you're saying that, because you see, if you can get in the vortex and summon them in, your level of performance is going to be unparalleled by anything that you've ever seen. Most people apply their most determined sales techniques from outside the vortex. You know, if you don't buy this, this will happen. And you know, if you don't do this, this will happen. In other words, they're sort of prodding people into decisions, where if you've let your attention to them help you to identify their improved experience relative to whatever it is that you are offering, and you hold the vision of them benefiting from that, and there's no deviation of that in your vibration, you are more influential than millions who don't have that. So the first thing you got to do is get in the vortex and see the value of what you're offering to them.
Awesome.
It is. And others will say, what's your trick? And you say, I believe in what I sell. I believe in its value.
As this recent conversation was happening, I got this surging, the spine tingling feeling, which that's kind of my clue that, I'm really like aligned, or there was some connection with source. And I found that also when I watch someone sing something beautifully, or I'm singing, and you get that feeling.
You know what that feeling is? That's the feeling of moving into the vortex. In other words, what's happening is you were lurking on the edge, close enough that the universe orchestrated something that you heard that took you in. And that sensation is the moving up releasing vibration and releasing resistance and raising vibration. That's what that feeling is. When you consistently hang around inside the vortex, it just feels normal to feel aligned. It's more like a feeling of ease. The rushes that you all often feel, that's that feeling of moving from outside the vortex in. And when you think about it, isn't that a pretty nice way to live? It's not such a problem when the vortex spits you out, is it? Because it's so fun getting back in.